Hi, my name is Catherine and today I'll be demonstrating how to set up your story. As a user, by the end, you'll be able to navigate around the story setup. So following on from the video Create a Story, we now have our Getting Started story set up. In order to go into the setup to start configuring the story, you simply come to the top left corner where it says Story, click on the drop down and navigate to Setup. Here is where you can start to amend stuff and configure stuff on a story level. So the first thing I may do is rename my title, and I can simply do that by adding in the title. In this case, I've done Aerospace Innovation Roadmap. You can add an image for your story. You can also define the horizon that would appear on your timeline views. The other useful areas within the story setup is the Items tab. So this is where you can start to configure your categories and attributes. So as a default category for a Getting Started story, you have projects. We could go ahead and add a new category and call this one, say, technology. And I could also add another one and call this risks. And ultimately, this will be shaped based on what your data looks like. Now, once we've got some categories defined, we can go ahead and add some attributes. So as default with the Getting Started story, we have priority, project end date, project owner, start date, and schedule. But you could go ahead and add some new attributes over here by clicking on Add an Attribute, and then selecting the specific data type you want, whether it's a text field, a list field, a date field, and so on. So as an example, I'm going to create a list attribute. I'm going to name this status. And I'm going to go ahead and start adding some labels. So we want low, medium, and high. Now that's how you go about setting up your story. For any other areas like calculations and global panels, please refer to their individual videos. Thank you for listening.